Learn English with Mr. A.B. Pardi.
Hello friends, in the series of tenses, the next tense is introduction of simple past tense. The verb form of simple past tense is V2 form of the main verb. We know V1, V2 and V3. V2 means past participle. Just like we take main verb as C, that is V1, that is the base form, and Sa is V2 means past tense, past form, and C is V3 means past participle. So we use V2 form. Now I write examples of simple past tense. I saw a dog. Here I subject, size verb, and that verb is in V2 form. Dog is an object. Similarly, we can write so many examples. We saw a dog. You saw a dog. He saw a dog. She saw a dog. They saw a dog. You can write several sentences in that structure by using different subjects, verbs and object also. Hello friends, after the introduction of simple past tense, we are going to learn uses of simple past tense. The first use, it is used for an action completed at a certain time in the past. The time is mentioned in context. Means any action completed at a certain time in the past, and the time of completed action is mentioned in the context. In such situation, we use simple past tense. Let me see the examples. First, we went to Simla last month. Means here the speaker went to Simla. Action is completed in the past. When he went to Simla in the last month, it means the time is mentioned in this context, means in the last month. Second example, Indira Gandhi died in 1984. The action of died occurred in the past, and that is completed action in the past. but the time of completion of action, that is mentioned in the context, that is with time in 1984. Second use, it may also be used for a past habits. When we going to talk in English in spoken skill or in writing skill, the uses of tenses are very important, because when we assert any sentence, the sentence is related with the action and action is related with the verb and verb is related with tense. Therefore, we must know the uses of tenses while talking or writing in English. Okay. Now, it may also be used for past habits. Let me see the use in the example. He always invited me to his dinner parties. Means the narrator here addressed that his past habits. What was his past habits? He was invited to the dinner parties in the past. That is the past habits. Second, we got up at 5 o'clock daily in those days. In those days, the narrator got up at 5 o'clock daily. That was the past habits of the narrators. And in that way, with this simple past tense, we can show past habits. Now third, it is often used to tell a story. When we narrate the story or when we tell the story, we use simple past tense. It is the most use of simple past tense in writing skill. In the writing skill, in story writing, this use is very important. We revise the first use. It is used for action completed at a certain time in the past and the time is mentioned in the context. Second, it may also be used for past habits, and third, it is often used to tell a story.